Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to download the ISO file of Windows 10. So simply you need to open any browser whichever you use and type here download Windows 10 ISO simply, and you should be able to get this option. Now you should see these kind of window. You need to click on download now option here. Click on here download now option, and you can see here you should be able to see this kind of media creation tool. You just need to run it, and if you want to make a bootable pen drive of Windows 10, you just need to plug in your USB on your laptop. You have to accept the terms and condition. Just click on next. Now you need to click on this option, second one, then click on next. Leave everything as default, just click on next. So you can select your ISO file or USB, just two options here. Plug in your USB, then select this option. I'm making the ISO file, then click on next option here, and I'm locating the it's 10, and you will see downloading in a progress. Just wait here for some time. Now you should be able to see this kind of window. Just click on finish option here. Now you need to install the Rufus on your Windows. Just type Rufus and you should be able to get the first Windows. Just you need to select this standard version, first one. Simply download it. Click on exe, and I have already downloaded that exe. You can see here, double click on this and plug in your USB into the computer, then click on select and select Windows 10, then click on open, and partition should be GPT. It's a newer partition, UEFI NTFS. Choose here, this is a new version. Otherwise you can select the FAT32 as well. Then click on start and then click on OK. All the data will be lost from your pen drive, so make sure you back up your data, then click on OK. And these kind of windows, just click on OK, OK, and it will do like this, and after that it will be done. You should be able to see here this is ready now. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.